All right, folks, what we have here is a Kia Forte. It's an LX. This is a 2017, but basically they're all the same. The headlights are out on this, both of them, which is kind of weird. But it's an H7, according to AutoZone. All right, it's a plug-in bulb, but the bulb itself sits into a socket, and the socket actually turns in. So it's a lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. And it's found right here inside. It's a big round cap. You just twist it to the left, right? Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. This cap is going to come out. Okay? Put that off to the side where you're not going to forget it. And in there, it's like a little tiny, like a little black handle. Let me see if I could show it to you. In there, it's like a little black handle. See, it looks like a little blade. Okay? You just want to grab that handle and twist it to the left. Okay? So I can do it from here. It's going to be a couple of things here that's going to be in the way. This little metal body panel is going to be in the way. Wait till you see the driver's side. That's even worse. All right, so basically you want to try to get a hold of that. Twist it to the left. If you can't get to it, you can use a little tiny pair of pliers. I have a pair of pliers, little channel locks, a little turn to it. Okay, I'm going to just twist it a little bit here. And once you twist it loose, it's going to come right out in your hands. Almost. Come on. There it is. All right, that's what it looks like. This is the little handle that I'm talking about. Okay, just got to grab it and twist it, and this bulb just pulls right out. So I'm going to do with this one. Let me put this on a camera stand for you guys. The old bulb we don't give a crap about. It's bad already. Okay, but the new bulb, you got to grab it with a pair of gloves to keep it clean. So you don't put no oil residue on it, because when the bulb gets hot, it might create a hot spot. At least to what they said, but have yet to see that happen. So here it is right here. Okay, basically it just pulls right out. Just try to remember exactly where the notches that you have. Okay, so I have it here as in this notch here. This is pointing straight up, so I'm just going to unplug it straight out. Okay, there it goes. Looks just like that. It's going to go in here like that. Okay, now if you look at the bulb itself, you can see that it's blown. Then you see it, see the filament is like down on the bottom. See it? It's supposed to be connecting from that little tab to that little tab, and that piece there is busted. All right, so like I said, H7 is what I bought at AutoZone. It's about 35 bucks. 39 I think it was, I don't know, I forgot already. But anyway, here is the nice bulb. You can look at the filament, goes right across, looks like a little coil. Goes from one terminal to the other terminal. Okay, so I'm going to grab it. I'm going to grab it around here. We'll try to stay away from the glass bulb. Okay, remember this little tab that goes up? I'm going to match it with this little tab that goes up, with exactly where the prongs are. I'm going to push it in. Okay, push it in nice and tight. Try not to get too dirty. And I'm going to stick it in there, and we're going to find the hole that it goes back into, and we are going to tighten it up. Take the glove off because I can't really feel anything. So I'll grab onto that little plastic piece there. You got to take a peek at it. Okay, and once you line it up, take a little turn. You hear the little click. Once the click is on, then you're good to go. I'm assuming that's a good bulb. Otherwise, you can check it before you put the cap on. But I'm going to put the cap on because I believe that it's in right and I did the job perfectly. All right, so righty-tighty on the cap, and the cap is on. Okay, now I'm going to go turn on the headlight. I'm going to see if it turns on, okay? Then go find my key. set you up over here, stand you up. Loud motorcycles. All right, we're all locked in. Okay, let's go turn on the headlights. I'm trying to find my key. Is it on, Joe?
Yup, it's on.
All right. Got my little helper, Joey, here helping me. And the light is on. You see it? All right, so now we're going to do the other side. But that's how you do your headlights.
Yep.
Okay, bye.
Now
Okay.
we're going to do the
This side, on this side here, this one here, if you notice, is out. This one here is a little bit more hard to get to. I have to take this little bracket off if it's in your way. But it's right there. There's a little cap. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. All right, I showed you how to do that one. No sense filming this one to extend the video any longer. But all right, so enjoy. If I run into a problem here, I will film it right now for you. Otherwise, the left one should be just as good as the right one is the passenger. So the passenger side should be just as the same to change as the left one. Okay. Thanks for watching. Ciao. All right, on the driver's side, you do have to take this bracket off. All right, 10 millimeter here. This bracket with this little, looks like a relay or something. Put it off to the side. Same thing with this cover. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Just be careful. You don't want to drop it, okay? If you drop it, it goes into that fender. Ask me how I know. Okay, then you're going to use 2 fingers to try to rip it up and get it out. All right, so the same thing with just the bulb, okay? Just got to unplug it, put the new one back in, twist it back, just like the passenger side, okay? And then don't forget to put the little bracket back on. And put your cover back on, and you're good to go. All right, that's it. I'm not going to drag this out any longer than I have to. Simple, plug in, and twist, okay? Thanks for watching.